Oh, y'all. Oh, sign me up. Sign me up. Hola. Bonjour. Hey, y'all. My name is Lachelle Nicole, aka Shell the Beauty Belle, and thank you for stopping by. Y'all already know what today is. We're gonna talk about wine. Now, before we get into the star of the show, I just want to say thank you so much for your support. We are almost at our goal for February of 1,500 bells and bows. That's exciting. I could not do this without you. We are like maybe 20 or 30 something away, and I know without a shadow of a doubt we're gonna do it. So to all the new bells and bows, hola, bonjour, hey y'all. We're gonna talk about a summertime wine. It's more like a summertime wine, but anytime wine is fine. So we're gonna treat it as such. But before we get into this, and before I let you know what type of pairings, what type of notes or flavors that come in this wine, definitely like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell to be notified. Hey, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell to be notified. If you want to stay in tune with the bells and bows I've got going on over here, you want to subscribe, okay? So to the new bells and bows that are just coming into our community, a couple of weeks ago, I decided to implement wine tasting and wine reviewing on this channel, and that was brought about because of the celebration for supporters and bells and bows that were coming over into our community. I just wanted to do something fun, and also, who doesn't love wine? So from the previous videos, if you have not seen them, definitely go back and review them. There are 2 other wine reviews before this one. These wine reviews are coming from the Stellarosa Celebration holiday bundle. I was gifted this from one of my best friends as a gift, and I decided to implement it on my channel and start doing wine reviews. Totally dope. I think it's a totally dope idea. So today we're going to review the Stellarosa Peach, and it's the semi-sweet wine. This one has not been opened, so we've got this bottle, we've got this wine glass, and we're about to give it a taste. Now, before we go any further, I just wanted to let you all know, as a sidebar, this is not sponsored in any shape or form. However, if Stellarosa sees fit to come holler at your girl, we gladly oblige. So this is a semi-sweet sparkling wine, and it has bubbles, y'all. It has some nice bubbles in it. So we're gonna see what it's working with. So we're gonna shake this around, give a little smell test. Ooh, it smells lovely, y'all. Oh, just lovely. I wish there was like a scratch and sniff area on this camera. Ooh, get a load of that. It smells so divine. Ooh, y'all. Oh. It's crisp. It's really crisp, and it tastes like peach. It tastes very fruity. It says it's semi-sweet, but it's really sweet. It's not really extremely sweet to me, but it's sweet just enough, right? It says that it is a semi-sweet, semi-sparkling wine. It is a Moscato-based blend. Now, what a Moscato-based blend is, it's like a sweet, fizzy, white or rosé wine with low alcohol, and it pairs great with desserts. So this is like a dessert wine. Well, this is a dessert wine. It does say that it's an excellent wine for beginners because it is sweet and it's a dessert wine. And since we're talking about sweets, I do happen to have something sweet for my palate while I'm reviewing this ever so lovely wine, and it is some dark chocolate dipped pretzels. Have some, y'all. Really good. Really good. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so the notes for this, or the flavors, should I say flavors, because we're not talking about perfume, we're talking about wine, are white peach and honey. It's not basic, but it's just white peach and honey. It tastes very good. Now, I'm not sure if that white peach fruit is semi-sweet or what, but it's sweet to me and it's perfect, y'all. It's just really perfect. It tastes really crisp. It tastes perfect to pair with a dessert, or like you know how, okay, so a dessert that I would say would go with this is, do you know those little sponge cakes, those sponge round cakes at the store? I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing them right, but they come like in like 6-pack, and you can put like whipped cream and a strawberry on it, like to make it like a strawberry shortcake. This and that would be a perfect pair. Sign me up. Sign me up. And the taste, y'all, it lingers. It's not dry at all. It's just perfect. It just sits on your tongue and it just marinates. It's like a happy flavor. I love it. I love it. I did find some pairings, and it says Irish cheddar, aged cheddar, summer salads with strawberries and field peas, vanilla custard, vanilla or peach ice cream, fruits, chicken and dumplings. Now that's a savory one. So you know how if you like sweet and savory things, this would be your sweet, and the chicken and dumplings would be your savory. Oh, chef's kiss. I could just taste it. It's great for sipping alone, but it does well with spicy foods as well, like General Tso's chicken, or if you had like a spicy crab roll or a shrimp roll or something like that, like an appetizer. Something spicy goes well with this. It's like a perfect balance. It would definitely be a perfect balance. When it says it's a Moscato based blend, that just means that it's made from Muscat grapes, and Muscat grapes are table grapes that you use for raisins. Moscato is champagne and a sparkling wine. So I read that normally the feature flavors of Moscato are sweet peach, nectarine, and orange blossom. I would love to taste a wine that has like the flavoring of an orange blossom. If you all know one, please let me know. While I do some research, please let me know in the comments below if you've had a wine that has an orange blossom taste. I would absolutely love to taste that, y'all. Moscato is best served chilled because it heightens the flavor of the fruits and the floral taste that it has. So yeah, y'all, this is absolutely amazing. And it smells so aromatic. It smells so good. And we're almost done. It can also serve as an aperitif. Now, upon doing my research, what I've learned about the meaning of aperitif is, I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. Please show me grace. But an aperitif is an alcoholic drink used to stimulate your appetite. So you would drink it before a meal because it helps, you know, increase your appetite. There's also a word that is used to describe a wine that you drink after your meal. And if you know that, if I have some wine connoisseurs in here, definitely put that in the comment box. If you know that word, I do know it, but I want to save it for the next video. But if you do know it, drop it in the comment box for me, okay? Another fun fact about wine is, if it is a dry wine, I will definitely say that from the wines that I have reviewed, Prosecco would definitely be the drier wine. So drier wines pair better with food because it helps cleanse the palate. And you know, I really can appreciate that because that was a learning curve for me. When I read that, or when I found that out, it made sense to me because it doesn't linger like this lingers. The fruity, the flavor, it lingers on in your mouth. But like the fruity flavor, I could taste like the honey and the peach that lingers, and it's a good taste. It's a good taste. It's a sweet taste. But with the Prosecco that I reviewed, it was just really bitter and dry, and it didn't last. There was no taste that lasted long. So I can understand, it makes sense. That was an epiphany for me, y'all. And I don't know if it is an epiphany for you all, but it makes sense for a drier wine to cleanse the palate. Perfect sense. But this wine, y'all, it's amazing. Sweet wine is better paired with desserts, and we have desserts. Definitely had to freshen up my lipstick, but I just wanted to say we are at the end of this wine review. Once again, this is the Stellarosa, and this is Stella Peach. It's a semi-sweet sparkling wine. It's absolutely amazing on the palate. It's fruity, it's flavorful, it's inviting, it's just amazing. I absolutely enjoyed this, and I would absolutely recommend it to a beginner. If this is your first time here as a belle or a beau, welcome. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you are a wine connoisseur and you are a part of the Belles and Beaux, definitely put some wine suggestions in the comment box, because I have like 2 more wines and we'll be done with the Stellarosa Celebration bundle. And we want to know over here if you know of any wine that has orange blossom, or if you just want to suggest a wine that you think will be great for a review, let me know. Okay? I hope you have liked, commented, and subscribed so that you'll be notified each time I upload a video. I hope you enjoyed. If there's any content that you would like to see, don't be afraid to drop it in the comment box. But before you do, make sure you have liked, commented, and subscribed. Thank you so much for helping me reach my goal for February. Next month, it's gonna be greater and better. I'm very confident in that. I hope you all will stick around. And as always, see you later.